Ik kan hier staan, hè? Kijk.
Last time on Beautje. We did a lot of hard work so we could bring her to the harbor. We put her to the water and go out for a first sail.
Wat staat er te gebeuren?
Als het goed is, komen ze zo het bootje ophalen. En is het bootje verkocht.
En waarom doen we dat?
Omdat hij eigenlijk toch te klein is. So we changed the Dehler Varianta for an Albin Vega. We got her the same day we sold our Dehler. And brought her to her home dock on a day with about 30 knots of wind. And because we had some problems with the engine, it was an exciting trip, but she made it.
If you're a cowboy, I will trail you. If you're a piece of wood, I'll nail you to the floor. If you're a sailboat, I would sail you to the shore. If you're a river, I would swim you. If you're a house, I would live in you all my days. If you're a preacher, I'd begin to change my ways. Sometimes I believe in fate, but the chances we create always seem to ring more true. You took a chance on loving me, I took a chance on loving you. If I was in jail, I know you'd spring me. If I was a telephone, you'd ring me all day long. If I was in pain, I know you'd sing me soothing songs. Sometimes I believe in fate, but the chances we create always seem to ring more true. You took a chance on loving me, I took a chance on loving you. If I was hungry, you would feed me. If I was in darkness, you would lead me to the light. If I was a book, I know you'd read me every night. If you're a cowboy, I would trail you. If you're a piece of wood, I'd nail you to the floor. If you're a sailboat, I would sail you to the shore.